How to peel a persimmon scooping halves with a spoon. Persimmons are small, tomato-sized fruits that can be yellow, red, or orange in color. There are a few different varieties of persimmons, but most of them taste mild and honey-like. Persimmons go great on their own or in recipes for an added touch of sweetness. The peel of a persimmon is safe to eat, but it can have a more crunchy or crisp texture that might be distracting to the overall flavor. You can peel a persimmon quickly using tools in your kitchen to enjoy eating your fruit in no time. Number 1. Wash off the outside of the persimmon with cold water. Hold your persimmon under running water and let it wash off any dirt or grime that may be on the outside. Gently scrub the persimmon with your fingers for about 10 seconds. Number 2. Cut the persimmon in half widthwise. Place the persimmon on a cutting board, laying on its side so the leafy top is parallel to the cutting board. Use a sharp knife to slice the persimmon in half widthwise. Tip: if you are peeling a hachia persimmon, it will probably be too soft to cut. Simply break open the persimmon and eat the inside of the fruit with a spoon to avoid the peel. Number 3. Scoop out the inside halves with a spoon. Pick up one half of the persimmon and slice a spoon in between the peel and the edge of the fruit. Slide the spoon around the rim of the persimmon to lift the peel off the fruit, and then use the spoon to scoop out the meat of the persimmon. Do the same thing to the other half. You can also use the spoon to eat the fruit of the persimmon straight out of the peel if you'd like to. Number 4. Use a knife to cut the halves into wedges. Place the peeled halves of the persimmon face down on the cutting board. Use a sharp knife to cut them each in half, leaving you with 4 wedge pieces of peeled persimmon. Number 5. Eat your persimmon on salads, in smoothies, or on cereal. Since the taste of persimmons is pretty mild, you can pair them with almost any sweet flavor for some added taste. Use your wedges to sweeten up an almond and strawberry salad, or eat them with some goat cheese for a light snack. You can also add persimmon puree to cookie or cake batters as a sweetener. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.